Hi, class, and welcome to English 100. I'm your professor for this semester. My name is Vanessa Strodel Call, and we will be meeting this week, but I just wanted to give you a little intro video so that you could watch this and get prepared and so you could know how to navigate our course. So this is the home page of our course, and you will see that the weeks are linked here. But everything is also accessible on this left-hand menu over here. This will look a little different than yours since it's in the professor view. Student view will only show the upper items. But for our class, when we meet, you will find the link under CCCD Zoom. And you'll be able to join our course at the according time right there. Also, when in doubt, you always want to go to the syllabus. Our syllabus is linked here under syllabus, and I keep the syllabus and the schedule separate. So you'll notice when you click on syllabus that you are able to see my note early on. There's also this navigation pane on the left. If you can't see this navigation pane, you can always go up to view, and you should be able to view it after that. The document outline. You'll notice that my email is right at the top as well as our embedded tutor, so feel free to reach out with any questions that you may have before we meet or throughout the entire semester so that we can make sure that you are confident and ready to go. When you look at our schedule, you'll notice that it tells you what to expect each week. So the topics that we're going to be going over each week are to the left, and then what's happening on what day is on the right. Since we are a hybrid course, we are only meeting for 4 hours each week, but the rest of the work will need to be done asynchronously, meaning on your own time by the due date. So you'll notice right off the bat, we have a couple assignments to do by Wednesday. They're very simple. It's an introduction discussion and a get to know me assignment, which is private and for me only to view. And then you'll have essay 1, week 1 assessment, and the final draft of essay 1 due by the end of the week. And again, the information for my contact or Jackie. You can also go into the inbox, which is on this left-hand bar that you can't see, to email me through Canvas as well. And then just real quick, I want you to all make sure that your notifications are on under announcement, or make sure that you get your announcements early because I will be giving out announcements weekly to make sure you know what's going on. And then everything you want to access is going to be under modules. So you'll want to move through the modules. The modules will unlock each week. It'll unlock probably the Friday before the next week so that you can get ahead a little bit. But you won't be able to be going, through week 6 from the start. Before you access module 1, which is correspondent with week 1, you have to go through the course orientation module. You need to open every single message and just view it, or every single page and view it. And then you'll notice your introduction assignment and your get to know me assignment are at the bottom of the course orientation. For our course, we are using OER sources, which means they are all free except for our novel. You need to buy, well, it's not a novel, it's a memoir. You need to buy Born a Crime by Trevor Noah, and that's also listed on our syllabus. It is linked here, but you can get any version of Born a Crime. Just make sure you get it soon because we will be talking about it during week 2, okay? Under week 1, you'll just notice really quickly, I'll show you this. I always set it up that you have an intro for what are our goals for the week. I'll put all our asynchronous materials at the start so that you can go through them. You will be tested on these asynchronous materials in your weekly assessment. Week 2 does have 2 parts assessments. So it has a part 1 for rhetorical devices and rhetorical analysis, and then a part 2. But other than that, you will only have 1 assessment each week until closer to the end where we stop having assessments. And then you'll notice you'll always know what's going to be happening in class because I post it as, Tuesday agenda, Thursday topic readings, and then Thursday agenda. So you always can find what we're supposed to be reading under our topic readings listed in our modules. Or once again, on our schedule, you'll also notice that I link the readings on the schedule too. So this is just a quick overview of our course, but if you have any questions, you can feel free to message me. You can feel free to message Jackie. She has been my tutor before, so she knows exactly, what I expect. Or you can go under discussion and you can post a question under the course-related questions, and peers can see this and answer this as well. I don't check the course-related questions discussion as frequently. I will check it periodically, but if you have a question directly for me that you need feedback quickly on, please email me. So you can either email me by my school email or through Canvas inbox. So I look forward to getting to know you better this week. Feel free to reach out with any concerns, okay? I'll see you all soon.